So we're back here. We're looking at question number 1 that you're probably going to see on the quiz tomorrow, actually. And it looks very similar to this. Essentially, we have to list out the properties of equality, or how they went from one line to the next. So take a look at this first part. This just tells you that that is the original question. That's what it says. This is the original question. Now, the next part is, how did we go from here to there? What changed? And notice all that happened was they distributed that negative into the x and the 7. You see how the parentheses are gone from this step to this step? And the x became negative and the 7 became negative because they distributed. So you would put down distributed or distributed property. As long as you see distributed, you're probably going to get it right. Next step, from here to there, what happened? What did you see? Well, negative 7 or minus 7 stayed minus 7. 6x minus 6 became 5x. So what did they do right there? And we like to call that combining like terms. Combine like terms. That's how we got to this line right here. Now, we go to the next line. How do we go from here to there? What did they do? Well, we had the minus 7. Notice the minus 7 is gone now. The 5x is still there. The negative 22 turned into negative 15. This is just a two-step equation. What they did was they added 7 to both sides. So that would be the addition property. Addition property. And usually it's the addition property of equality. But addition property, that's what you need to kind of keep that in mind. Next, we have negative 15 equals 5x. Okay, well, what happened from here to there? What did they do? 5 is gone. It's just x, and negative 15 turned into negative 3. Well, this is a one-step equation. What they did was they divide. This is the division property. Division property. And you're not going to have to do all of those on the quiz. It's really going to be like one of these is missing, and you got to be able to know what's going on. So again, go back and watch this video. Make sure you understand fully what just happened there. If you have questions, bring them to the table tomorrow before we take the quiz.